So today I'm going to be making a breakfast smasher, which is basically a smash burger for breakfast. We're going to have some breakfast sausage for our patties, some bacon, some chorizo, some cheese, a good bun, and some egg. I have the Camp Chef flat top grill going at about medium-high heat, so let's get our bacon going. And I only have the 2 left burners on. The other side is going to be for keeping things warm. How do I like my bacon? Say it with me, AFS, acceptable floppy steak. If you want your bacon crispy, cook it a lot more than I'm going to because I really like mine AFS. My grill temp is about 370-ish. I'm using the Thermapen contact thermometer. All right, this bacon looks good. For me, again, I know a lot of you are going, oh my God, that's raw. No, it is AFS. Just gonna use some of this bacon grease here, scrape some of the stuff off, use the bacon grease and toast our bun. Actually, our buns, we're doing 2 today. Those go for a minute. There are buns doing here, just want a nice little light toast on it. Now I'm gonna cook up some pork chorizo, and this is about half a pound of chorizo. Just love that smell of chorizo. Now these are all pork products, so you really want to make sure you cook them until they're fully done. Just like you would in a pan on the stove. All right, our chorizo's looking good. I'm going to move it over to the warming side here. Give this a quick little scrape here. And now for the actual smash burger part of these breakfast smashers, I've got 1/4 pound little sort of meatballs of breakfast sausage. I'm gonna do 2 at a time here. Go ahead and give these a turn. Now since I'm doing 2, each one's gonna have 2 patties. These are gonna be the tops. I'm gonna put cheese on these in just a second. And it's gonna be a pepper jack cheese. Get our cheese on our 2 top smashers. Once that melts, I'm gonna go ahead and cook the other 2 patties. And then we're gonna move on to making our eggs. A little bit of shell out of here. Now our eggs are not going to take long. I've actually just turned the burners off here. There's so much residual heat, we don't need any more going. Yeah, I know, not the perfect sunny side up, but what are you going to do? It's going to taste good. All right, I'm going to finish up these eggs, and then we're going to build these breakfast smashers. We're gonna start with a bottom patty here. A couple pieces of AFS bacon. Get our top patty on with our pepper jack cheese. Some of our chorizo here, just a little pile of it. And our sunny side up egg. Wanna hit this with a little cracked black pepper. Our top bun ready to go on. There we have it, the breakfast smasher. Let's dive in. Now let's see if we can get a little bit of a yolk spill here. Oh, there we go. Crown this and have a taste. I could cut it in half, but why? Let's just dive in whole. Whenever I make these, the first thing that comes to mind is breakfast between a bun. All those delicious flavors of breakfast, bacon, eggs, sausage, cheese, bread. Really could put anything on this. I'd put some hot sauce on here if I was thinking about it again, but man, this alone right here, fantastic. The flat top is such a versatile way to cook. You do have to take care of it. I got a couple little rust spots I know I got to take care of, but that's part of it. That's maintenance. If you do that, it'll give you fantastic food.